Anyway,
After I had survived from the horrors of chapter names, I read onward. The story started. As we all know, God is all-knowing and almighty. Okay, that was maybe a little too biblical, but nice opening anyway. And something that you always remember once you're done with this book. Actually, I always liked this opening. It reminds me of Lord of the Rings, and also makes you think, did Linna always start his books with biblical opening? What if he wrote do-it-yourself guide for doors? As we all know, doors are gateways to other worlds. There is regular pine doors, big doors, beautiful birch doors, small doors, majestic oak doors, and so on. With these guides, you will master the art of crafting your doors that will serve as your gateways to the other worlds. Makes you think, doesn't it? Well, after that biblical start, we get a very long way back to the bottom. The characters are introduced. And I have to say that whereas everybody is always saying how well these guys represent Finns, I have to disagree. Because these are just stereotypic Finns from different dialect areas. And that's it. Well, there's one or two exceptions, but that's it. To me, it's just the same if you would say that the unit classes from Stronghold game have their own personalities, just because each one of the unit classes speaks different, like the knight, the maceman, the swordman, the engineer, the archers, and so on and so on. That's it. And to me, it isn't important to speak about the characters any more than that, so I'm just having a list here who dies and who lives. So, spoilers, 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 spoilers. First, Lieutenant Koskela dies. Captain Kariluoto dies. Major Lammio survives. Captain Karna dies. Major Sarastia dies. First Lieutenant Jalovaara survives. Colonel Lieutenant Karjula, oh yeah, who? Oh yeah, the guy who executed Korpela, yeah, that guy. Who? Bones! Lieutenant Ville Autio, oh, that guy. Who? Dies. Corporal Ramaimin Rokka. Bones! Sergeant Hietalahti dies. Corporal Lahtinen dies. No! Why him? Why won't someone else die like Vanhala? Corporal Lehto dies. No! Why him too? Why not Vanhala or Hietala or some other guy, but him? No! Corporal Mäkilä dies. Major Sergeant Korsumäki, oh yeah, that guy, dies. Major Sergeant Sinkkonen, who? Oh, he survives. Corporal Vanhala survives. Unfortunately, Private Rahikainen, who? Oh yeah, he's that guy who steals icons. Yeah, that guy. Survives. Private Honkajoki survives. Private Wolfspaw. Who? Oh, he's that Rokkas pal. Who? Bones. Corporal Matte. Who? I mean, just who? Who? Who was he? Survives. Private Solo. Bones. Private Virla the mandatory bomb, dies. Private Sihvonen, who? Just who? Just who? Who was it? Who? Survives. Private Hauhia, the red shirt wearing noob, dies. Private Korpela dies. Wait! What? He dies? No way! I mean, there's no chance. I mean, it wasn't implied. Well, okay. Oh, he dies? Why isn't it implied better? Oh yeah, he dies, so yes again. Dies! Wait, aren't there any major women in this book? Oh, there is. Well, she's only searching that Mr. Right was on. I'm sure that won't backfire at anyway. But, oh wait, it does! Cause this is written by a man. That women are always searching that Mr. Right. Yeah, right. Cause that's like the only thing that females can ever think. Now, is it? But by the way, why isn't she mentioned in this Wikipedia list? I mean, she sure is more than Private Hauhia who dies like noob he is from a headshot in a trench. You don't raise your head while you're in a trench. Even I know that, and I haven't ever, and I mean never, been in a trench war. By the way, the woman probably survives, I'm not sure, but only if you can call it living as a bitter old maid. Or then, a fate worse than that, as a Mrs. Lammio. Bum bum bum!